We're making the state dessert for all 50 states in America. Today is stop number 7 on our tour, and it is taking us to Wyoming. Now, according to my research, the state dessert for Wyoming, I have my research right here, is the Cowboy Cookie. Now, since Wyoming is the cowboy state, that is where the name came from for these cookies, and they are a cross between an oatmeal cookie and a chocolate chip cookie. And I'm already sold because that sounds amazing, and that is pretty much what all the research told me. The full recipe is linked in the description. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this 50 episode series where I make all the state desserts in America. Now let's make some cowboy cookies, y'all.
So we're gonna start off by mixing some granulated and brown sugar together in a bowl with brown butter. Now brown butter is very simple to make, and whatever container it's in, just make sure you swirl it so all those brown bits are included, because there's a lot of flavor in there. You don't want to leave that out. Just whisk until combined. There's no need to cream for 3 minutes here. Just whisk until it is absorbed into the sugar, and then we're going to add an egg, an additional egg yolk. The additional egg yolk actually helps the cookies stay nice and chewy, which I love, especially for this. You'll see once you make them, so don't leave out that extra egg yolk. Once that's mixed, add in some baking soda and vanilla and salt, give it a whisk, and then go in with all-purpose flour. Just gently stir with a spatula, not until the dough fully forms, because I don't like to overmix flour in desserts like this. So once it's a little bit absorbed, go in with our mix-ins, which is shredded sweetened coconut, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and chopped pecans and some oats. It's a lot of mix-ins, but these are so good. It is definitely worth having all of these nice bits in the dough. So this is when we're gonna go in, mix really well until that dough fully comes together and forms. And what's great is you don't even need to chill it. We have a 2-inch cookie scoop, and we're scooping the dough into balls, rolling them so they're nice and even, and placing them on a sheet lined with parchment about 3 inches apart, so when they spread, they have room and they don't run into each other. You want to bake them at 350 for around 12 to 14 minutes, or until they're light golden brown around the edges and set in the middle. And that is really it when it comes to these. If you want to bake some of them, roll the rest of the dough into balls and just pop them in the freezer in a container or a plastic bag. They're great to make in advance and keep on hand for whenever you want some fresh cookies. And these are cookies I would love to have on hand because they are so good. Top them with flaky sea salt. Give them about 10 minutes to cool before you move them. I know it's difficult, but they need the time to set up. You'll be in cookie heaven.
I can already tell that I'm gonna love these because, I mean, it's basically an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. What is there not to love about that? Plus, I just really love cookies and wish I could eat them all day, every day without any negative consequence of blowing up like a balloon. But hey, whatever, that's life. This was a really, really easy recipe. Again, it is linked in the description because it is not mine. So the link to where it came from is in the description for you. You can see the pecans, the oats, the chocolate chips, the coconut in there. It's just like so many great things in these cookies. Oh, it's just so good. That flaky sea salt on top, I mean, chef's kiss. These are fantastic. I'm serious, I could eat all of these right now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this 50 episode series where I make all the state desserts in America. I'll see you guys on the next stop.